How to use TikTok photo mode. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Tap on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that your camera will open up. Now over here you will find different timer options. Along with that, you will find the option of photo and text. In order to use the photo mode, select the option of photo and now you are able to click the picture. After you click the picture, at the right corner, you will find different features of TikTok. You can use those. You can add music. Likewise, you can add text, filters, stickers. In the case you want to use the photos from your gallery, you can go back. Now tap on this option upload. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here you can select the photos that you want to use for your TikTok video. You can check in for this option, select multiple. With that you will be able to select multiple pictures. After you are done with selecting pictures, tap on the option of next. Now at the right corner you will find different features of TikTok. From there you can add music, likewise text, stickers to your video. And at the bottom you will find the option of photo and video. Make sure you have chose the option of photo. If you set it to video, it will appear as the video. So set it to photo and then you are good to go. Now you can just scroll and all the photos will appear. After you are done, tap on next. Now at the top you can find all the photos that you have selected for your video. From here you can add caption to your video, likewise tag people. You can select who can view your post. If you want to allow comments, you can toggle on for this option of allow comments. If you want to save this video to your device, you can toggle on for this option of save to device. If you want to save this video without watermark, you can toggle on for this option of save post without watermark. And after you are done with your video, you can tap on the option of post, or also you can save it to draft. For now, I will be saving this video to my draft. So this is how you can use TikTok photo mode. This was very simple and quick process. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.